We've got 106 people. There's about 90 that are architects and technical staff. We see ourselves now as a global practice, so we believe we have to be unique. We want to be design-led, people-focused and sustainable. We are working on a whole range of work in the UK. I think one of our largest sectors has been the further education market. That's government funded. We recently completed a project in Edinburgh for Queen Margaret University. The economy is affecting us all, I think. Our work overseas, in some respects, will lessen the impact in the UK. You know, we have two key areas, the Middle East and Russia. What's very interesting in Russia, as the economy has boomed, shopping centres have sprung up everywhere in so many cities. It's about developing a brand and future-proofing. The opportunity for us is coming in with our experience of mixed-use schemes, retail, offices, leisure, and developing that with them. The Oz project in Russia, they were looking for some design ideas, and from day one we went in with 3ds Max Design visualization, and it summed up what we were trying to do. It's a very exciting concept. The client latched onto it, they love the designs. Lighting was a fundamental part of that, and we've introduced LED lighting, colour washes throughout the mall, and then in the central section over the ice rink and through over the main entrance we have a projection where we are effectively projecting a clear blue sky with clouds. One of the major images that the client still goes back to are the visualizations of the interior lighting, because he's saying, am I getting it like this, am I getting it like this? From my personal point of view, the investment in visualization, CAD and technology is fundamental.
We use 3ds Max Design for our visualizations. AutoCAD is our mainstay at the moment and has been for many years, though at the moment we're implementing a move towards Revit. We believe really help us make all of our project work more efficient. We've recently now implemented it on some other large college projects, and they're very complex projects. Got quite a small team on it. They've said that they've achieved more than they thought they could have done in that time, and that's even with the learning process in place. One project that 3ds Max Design was essential for was the Russian Mal's project. We had an idea of a building that could look like a spaceship, and we had a very limited amount of time. I think the interaction between a designer and a program such as 3ds Max Design, which allows you to think almost like a plasticine model, so it's very interactive, and within a day I was able to come up with a concept scheme, a very powerful concept image and an animation which we presented to the client successfully.
We had a particular strangle point on some geometry we did for one of our Russian projects. It was a particularly complex form that we couldn't figure out how to make in 3ds Max Design, couldn't figure out how to make it in Revit, we couldn't figure out how to make it in AutoCAD. Each of them did a little bit of it just right, but in the end we settled on Inventor, and it was actually being able to say, right, how do we inform the 3D form of the 2D form, and Inventor seems to tie those two things together quite nicely.
We're wanting to create the highest quality architectural design. It's crucial to put over the quality of that design in the visualization. So 3ds Max Design is a brilliant tool for us.